I am here with another video of Ayushi's video, that is Ayushi's channel, Daily.cute.crafts. So today I am very happy for posting this video and making this beautiful thing for girls, that is earrings, tassel earrings. This unique from the others, because tassel earrings I have seen in market that it is cost like 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, like this it's cost. So I decided to make it in home. So if you want also tassel earrings, please make. And if don't you want, but then also make it, because it's my duty to serve you my best efforts. Yes, so make it. I am sure that you will like this video and follow my video. So let's like my video and subscribe my channel and comment in the comment section, because I have read all the comments in the previous videos and they are so wonderful, and I have replied also in many comments. So I am going, but you are not going, because we are now seeing what are the materials needed for this video.
So let's start. The first thing we need is the thread, this silk thread. I am using this glue and this scissor. Then this thread. You can use any thread. It can be wool, yarn, or this polyester. And this is a gum, fevicol. And this is the designful gems, you can tell it, gems, designer gems. And this is plair and small cardboard. So that's all. It's very easy. Take the cardboard and the thread. Now wrap it like this. You have to wrap it around 220 times for one set of earring. So wrap it. Yes, it is completed. I have wrapped 223 times. So now cut it. Catch. Now cut it. Oh, sorry. I have forgotten the main thing. That is the earring hook. It is the main thing for me making earrings. So expand the hook with plier, with the help of plier, and then insert it in the main topmost part of the earring that we have made. Try to insert it like this, and then inserting the hook, it will look like this. But if you have to apply a secret thing, that is the boiling steam, the heat of the boiling water, you have to add it. After you after you added the steam in the thread, it will look like this. See, it's looking so beautiful. Now you have to cut it in the same way that you have cut it in the previous earring. The same two earrings are of same length. You have to cut the proper manner. Yes, it is looking so cute. Now wait, the final touch is remaining. So cut the designer gems. You can buy it from the nearest craft store, I have already told, or you can search in your home. I think it is available in your home. So cut it and paste it with gum or fevicol, anything. Paste. So take the fevicol and paste it Yay, like this. And I am damn sure that you will like it. And it is so beautiful.
Hi, so my video is going to be over. So I like this earrings which I have made. It is so really, it is so good. Have you noticed about anything? Yes, it is my earring that you can see. It is so beautiful, I think, because it is so easy. First of all, it is so easy, it is so beautiful, and it is so cute, because after all, it is the one of the part of the Daily.cute crafts. So here I am, who is the host of this channel, Daily.cute crafts. So please subscribe my channel, this Daily.cute crafts. You know already, I have mentioned it earlier also. So please subscribe it and like and comment. I am glad to read your comments in comment section. So this is one of the most beautiful video. So we will meet together in another video. So tab tak ke liye, bye bye.